Here comes a cow, it says moo all day long. The dog is happy and ready to play, it says woof woof. Look at the cat. Soft and sweet, it says meow so neat. The duck is waddling near the lake, it says quack quack with a shake. The sheep is fluffy, white, and round, it says baa in a gentle sound.
Meh, 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 meh.
The horse gallops fast and free, it says neigh, come run with me. Wake up! Wake up! The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Down by the pond, the frog goes ribbit ribbit all night long. The lion roars with power and might, it says roar with all its might. The monkey swings from tree to tree, it says ooh ah ah playfully. The snake slides by without a peep, it says hiss as it creeps. Here comes a big elephant, it says toot toot with its giant trunk. When the moon is high, the owl says hoo hoo from the sky. Ooh, 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 ooh. The little bee goes flower to flower, it says buzz buzz every hour. The bear is big and full of cheer, it says grr when friends are near. The goat loves to climb and play, it says mama every day. The
me, 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 me.
Parrot talks and likes to chat, it squawks hello. How about that? The dolphin jumps high from the sea, it clicks and squeaks joyfully. The turkey struts with feathers wide, it says gobble gobble with pride.
subscribe to my channel.